Hi Jason, it's Aaron. How you doing? I've been trying to do these rib opening exercises because the back rib it really hurts when if I take deep breaths and try to breathe into the rib. If I breathe in my stomach, take shallow breaths, it's okay. But I've been trying to work on it, and I've been doing the exercises every hour since early this morning, and um, it's still hurting. Um, uh, I know I have a like vibrating the ball thing to a point. I put it right on it. I'm not sure if I'm putting right on it. It's good, and I've been foam rolling it. It's still stuck, and I don't know what happened. I just slept my back last night. But anyways, here's exercises and see if I'm doing them right and if there's anything I can do to correct it. Sorry, I'm look wet and sweaty. I just took a shower, so it's not bad. Okay. Okay, so I do that about 10 more times, like around 12 times. And so another one is I just dip down. Okay, and then one more. Okay, so hopefully I'm doing the exercises right. It hurts to do the exercises to breathe into the rib. Oh, I just figured send it to you. I do about the double what I did every hour in video. But I just did half, so it won't take too long to do the right form. Hope you're having a great day and talk to you later.